Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install free app called iOS Launcher 16 from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. When you're ready, go into Settings, click on Apps and Notifications, select Advanced and choose Default Apps. Then click on Home app and apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Lastly, tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always switch between your layouts by accessing the same settings and choosing Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!